Okay, we'll see how it turns out.
It's my husband's birthday and I need to make him a cake. We don't have a kitchen right now due to house renovations. So gonna bake the cake in the air fryer for the first time. Hopefully it turns out.
In the air fryer, 325 degrees, and then I set it for 30 minutes. But I check it as I go. So let's see how they look right now. That's one.
There's two. He loves camping, so we are crafting a camp scene, making a bench, a stick with marshmallow, a campfire, and a tent. Besides frosting, using candies and food to accomplish that. Some supplies I'm using are Tootsie Rolls, graham crackers, pretzel sticks, fruit roll-ups, Oreos, candy corn, toothpicks, popsicle sticks, and of course frosting. While the cakes are baking, I'm making the bench and legs in the fire pit.
I'll be the one by your side through the good and the hard times when we're laughing, when we're hurting. I'll be the one that you need through the love and tragedy, when we're winning, when we're losing. Take my hand.
No.
There's a better life ahead. Take my word. With you and me, there's a better life. There's a better life. There's a better life. There's a better life. I'll be the heart that's yours through the peace and dark wars, when we're loving, when we're fighting. Take my hand. There's a better life ahead. Take my word. With you and me, there's a better life. There's a better life. There's a better life. There's a better life.
I put them in the fridge for the frosting to harden. When the cake was done, I let it cool. Then use my bread cake knife to cut the tops of them to level them a little. That's the only cake-specific tool I'm using. As you can see, I'm using a paper plate and we'll be using a plastic knife and popsicle sticks to decorate with. Frosted the cake with chocolate frosting. Then decorated it. Remember to like and subscribe. Place the fire pit, the bench, the marshmallow on a stick, and the tent. Added green frosting to look like grass. And crushed up Oreos for dirt clumps.
The sunlight dances on the balcony as I wait for thee to come home. I fumble my words, yeah, my mind's a mess when you're in that dress. Glad you're home. Will you stay with me and never leave? You walked into my life and I am glad you came, glad you came. When you're not around I've been broken, glad you came, glad you came. I was lost till I fell in your eyes, had me wondering why I feel like home. I hold you close so you're by my side till the end of time before we go. Will you stay with me, never leave? You walked into my life and I am glad you came, glad you came. When you're not around I've been broken, glad you came, glad you came, glad you came, glad you came, glad you came. I'm glad you came. never fade. We got a love that's worth the wait. Darling, you've been on my mind. Gonna love you to the end of time. And I know you're the one. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'll never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm never gonna let you go. Come on, baby, what you waiting for? You and me could be so much more. There's something I've been dying to say. Honey, let's take a leap of faith. And I know you're the one. Our story's just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'll never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm holding on forevermore.
This was a fun and quick cake to decorate.
Let you go.
And there's the finished cake.
With your love I'll never be alone.
And my husband's thoughts.
Thank you for my cake. You're the best wife.
There's only one thing I know.
I think he liked it.
I'm never gonna let you go.
He even got a snack bag full of goodies, the snacks and candies, for birthday movie night. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.